Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of exercise 2.6 from question number 14. So the question number 14 we can see now. Question number 14. In my previous video I have completed till question number 13. So now let us focus on the question number 14. The perpendiculars from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at D such that DB is equals to 3CD. See figure 2.55. This figure we have to focus. Okay, they have given figure such that DB is equals to 3CD. That means this DB part is 3 times of this CD part. Okay, this DB part is bigger than this CD. This is 1/4 and this is 3/4. Okay. Prove that 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square. This we have to prove. We have to focus always on to prove. So this is the given figure. So we have, let me draw this figure. Okay. I have drawn already here figure. What they have given? They have given this figure. So they have told to prove. That is very important part. We have to write first to prove, so that what answer we have to bring out, that we should know. So they have told to prove 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square. Okay. This they have told us to prove. Now it is given that I'll write first given. It is given that what they have given in the question, DB is equals to 3CD. DB is equals to 3CD. Okay. That means DC is 1/4 of full BC. DC is nothing but, this DC part is 1/4 of BC. That is BC by 4. And DB is nothing but 3/4 of full BC. DB is nothing but 3/4 of BC. That is 3 BC by 4. You may get confused here. Let me clear one more time. This DC part is 1/4 of full part. Full part is BC. DC is 1/4 of BC. So I have written here BC into 1 is BC by 4. DB is nothing but 3/4 of full BC. So 3/4 of BC, 3 into BC is 3 BC by 4. Okay. Now let us start proving this what they have given. Let us take triangles. In triangle, we know that this is 90 degree. So let us take triangle. In triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square. Now let me minus this AC square minus, to prove we are doing this. To prove how we have to get answer, based on that we have to solve. AC square is equals to AC square minus CD square is equals to AD square. Okay, let us write this as equation 1. Now I'll take that side triangle. In triangle ADB, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equals to 90 degree opposite is hypotenuse. AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. Now what I am going to do is AB square minus BD square is equal to what left? AD square. Equation 2. Now we can see from 1 and 2 what we get? From 1 and 2. Again, here also AD square, here also AD square. Both sides are equal. Therefore, things which are equal to same things are equal to one another. These two are equal. AD square equals to AD square. So, these two also equal. Okay. From 1 and 2, we get things which are equal to, same things are equal to one another. I'll write this side now. AC square minus CD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Okay. So now AC square I'll write as it is, but CD value we know here. DC value you can see here, BC by 4. CD is nothing but BC by 4. I'll write BC by 4. Yes, square is there, we'll write square. It is given. AB square I'll write as it is, but BD value, DB is nothing but BD only. BD value is 3BC by 4. So in place of BD I am going to write 3BC by 4. Square as it is. Okay, let us solve now. AC square as it is minus BC square as it is. 4 square is 16 is equals to AB square as it is. 3 square is 9. BC square as it is. 4 square is 16. Okay. So now let us multiply this. We'll multiply 16 into AC square is 16 AC square minus BC square upon complete 16. How complete 16? Because we have multiplied it. Is equal to 16 into AB square, 16 AB square minus 9 BC square upon complete 16. Why? Because we have multiplied. Now 16 get cancelled. What is left? This side. Numerator. So I'll bring this AB and AC one side and BC like terms one side. Okay. 16 AC minus BC square, let it be here only, minus BC square. I'll bring this 9 BC this side, it becomes plus 9 BC square. Okay, is equals to 16 AB here only minus 16 AC square. Okay. Now plus minus is minus, 9 minus nothing means 1. What we'll get? 8 BC square. Positive sign is a greater number, so plus 8 BC square. 16 common, AB square minus AC square. Okay, this 8 is in multiply position. I'll bring and divide here. BC square is equals to 16 by 8 into AB square minus AC square. Okay, it's clearly I am solving here. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. BC square is equals to 2 into AB square minus 2 into AC square. Now 2AB square, let it be here only. Okay, I am doing here BC square plus 2AC square. I have brought 2AC square here, this side. 2AB square. What they have told? This only they have told to prove. But let us arrange properly. 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. These they have told to prove. I'll show you one more time in book. They have told. See here, 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square. We also got the same answer. This is the very important question. So it's clearly I have solved 14th one problem. Let us solve now 15th one problem. So now question number 15, let us read. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equals to 1/3 of BC. Prove that 9AD square is equals to 7AB square. Only very equilateral triangle they have given, and D is a point on BC such that they have given BD should be 1/3 of BC. So let us draw the figure first. One equilateral triangle we have to draw. Equilateral triangle means we know that all the sides are equal, right? So let me draw one equilateral triangle. I'll write sides A, B, C they have told, right? And they have told D is a point on BC such that BD should be 1/3 of BC. Okay, this must be only 1/3 of full BC. Yes, I have written 1/3. Okay, let us draw one altitude. AE be the altitude. Let us draw one AE as a altitude. Okay, I'll write the description. They have told ABC the equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, I have written. Therefore, AB equal to BC equal to AC. Let us consider these all sides as A. Okay, this is also A, this is also A, and this complete as A. Complete side is A. But we know that altitude divides exactly half. I have taken AE. Let AE be the altitude. AE be the altitude. Okay, so if then BE will be equal to EC. BC is completely A, then BE is half of A and EC also is half of A, that is A by 2. Half of A is nothing but A by 2. Okay, BE is equal to EC and they both are half of A. Now, let us join this AD. I'll join this AD. This is 90 degree. We know that. Let us join this AD. I have joined AD now. We need find. Why I have joined AD? There is a reason. Because they have told in to prove. I'll write here to prove. Because to prove first it should be in our mind. They have told in to prove 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Unless and until we don't have the side AD, then how we will find AD? So I have joined this AD. What we have to prove? This we have to prove. The very important thing. This is our answer. We have to bring this answer. Got it? This answer we have to bring. Okay. Now let us start solving. In triangle AEB, big triangle, this side triangle taken. In triangle AEB, we know that E is a 90 degree, so opposite side are AB square is equals to AE square plus BE square. AB is A. I have taken side A. We don't know AE as it is. BE we have found A by 2. A by 2 square. Okay. A square minus A square by 2 square is 4. Plus it is, I brought this side, it is become minus left AE square. Okay, now 4 into A square is 4A square minus A square. Upon complete 4, because we have multiplied him, is equals to AE square. 4 minus 1, 4 minus nothing means 1. 3A square by 4 is equal to AE square. Okay, AE square value we got 3A square by 4. I'll just write AE square value we got. Now, let us take, we know that BD, what we don't know, BD they have given in the question, BD is nothing but 1/3 of BC. BD is nothing but, it is given that, it is given, okay, it is given in the question. It is given, BD is equals to 1/3 BC. So, 1/3 A. BC is nothing but A. So, BD is what? A by 3. BD value what we got? A by 3. Therefore, once BD, now DE, this small part we don't have. This part we don't have. DE is equals to BE minus BD. Full BE, from full BE, if we remove BD, we get DE. Yes, na? See, we can see this is BE is the full part. From BE, if we remove DE, we get BD, we get DE. So, DE we don't know, but BE we know. BE full, A by 2 minus BD, just now we got A by 3. Okay, so how we will get DE now? Let us cross multiply that. 3 into A, 3A minus 2 into A, 2A upon 2 3s are 6. 3A minus 2A is only A by 6. DE value what we got? A by 6. We got DE value. Now the main concept is we want AD. Let us take this triangle now. ADE, small triangle. We can focus ADE. In triangle ADE. AD is a hypotenuse. AE square plus DE square. Okay. Now in triangle ADE, angle E 90 degree. Okay. AD square is equals to AE square plus DE square. Just now I have shown you figure. One more time I will show. AD square is equals to AE square plus DE square. I have written the same thing. AD square is equals to AE square plus DE square. Now let us start substituting the value. We don't know AD. Let us write AD as it is. Okay. AE. What is the value of AE here in the box? We have AE square value only we have, direct value. AE square value is 3A square by 4. Okay. What about DE? Only DE value we have, but we have here DE square. DE square is nothing but A by 6 square. Let us solve this now. AD square is equal to 3A square by 4 plus A square. 6 square is 36. Okay, AD square is equals to, we know that LCM is 36. If you want, we can see here. I'll do LCM. 436. 4 ones are 4. 4 nines are 36. 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36. LCM is 36. So I'll write LCM is 36. 4 how many is 36? 9s are. 9 3s are 27A square plus 36 1s are 36. 4 9s are, so we have to multiply 9. 9 3s are 27. 36 1s are, so into 1. A square into 1 is A square. Okay. Clearly I have explained. AD square is equals to 27A square plus A square, 28A square upon 36. It gets cancels now properly. 4 7s are 28. 4 9s are 36. Okay. AD square is equals to 7A square by 9. Now we know that A value is what? A is nothing but we have taken AB, BC and AC. A value, AB, BC and AC we have taken. So in the to prove they have told us to take AB. So let us take AB. Okay, A place I am taking AB. So 9 I'll multiply here. 9 AD square is equals to 7A square. A square, A value is I have taken because we have taken AB is equals to BC is equals to AC is equals to A, because they are equilateral triangle we have taken here. So in place of A I am writing AB, because why only AB, why not BC and AC? Because we have to take AB, because in to prove they have told AB square we have to prove. So 9 AD square as it is equals to 7 A is AB square as it is, hence proved. This only they have told us to prove and we got the answer. Very very important in the examination point of view. Now the question number 16. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. Okay, square of one side should be equal to 4 times square of its altitude. Okay, let us first draw equilateral triangle. bit similar like previous problem. I'll draw the equilateral triangle. What they have told in the question, one side of a triangle should be square of 4 times of its altitude. Let us draw one altitude also. Like I have taken A, B, C and D. Let the side of the equilateral triangle be, let the side of equilateral triangle be, that is AB equal to AC equal to BC. They all are equal sides. Equilateral triangle is equals to A. Let us take. Okay. A, this side also A, this is also A, then this will be A by 2 and A by 2 half. Okay. Now let us take any one triangle side. I am taking any one side, any one triangle. In triangle ADB, okay, AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. Okay, AB A square is equals to AD, we don't know, altitude it is BD A by 2. A square as it is minus A square by 2 square is 4 is equals to AD square. Okay, 4 into A, 4A square minus A square by 4 is equals to AD square. Now, AD square is equals to 4 minus A, 3A square by 4. Okay, now I'll write 4 into AD square. 4AD square is equals to 3A square, any side I can take because I have taken here AB, AC, BC is A. So any side, any alphabet, any side I'll take. In place of A, I'll take AB square. Now we can write here 4 times square of altitude. We can see in the figure altitude is AD. Square is there. Square of altitude is equals to 3 square of its side. Square of its one side. We proved the question, right? Okay. Now the next question. How? Let me one more time show you here. Prove that 3 times square of one side is equal to 4 times square of its altitude. 3 times square of its one side is equal to 4 times square of its altitude. Okay, we proved. The last question very easy. Same, you should try yourself because I'll explain you how to do this because it's very easy. Just a multiple choice question. Tick the correct answer and justify. In triangle ABC, AB root 6 root 3, AC 12, BC 6. You have to take the bigger AB square is equals to BC square plus AC square. So if both sides equal by Pythagoras theorem, if both sides equals, then it is right angle triangle. If it is not both sides equal, it is not right angle triangle. Only angle B is what you have to find out. If you got equal, angle B is 90 degree you will get. Just you have to check. We have done in the first exercise, Pythagoras, this first main. Same exercise, first main, 3-4 problems we have done now. Same like that you have to do this. So this completes the exercise 2.5 and even this completes this similar triangle chapter. In my next video, I am going to start with a new chapter. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.